Hello, I'm Dr. Mangala Devi. I'm a fertility specialist and gynec and obstetrician. I work at Smile Baby IVF and as a chief consultant in KC Raju Multi-Speciality Hospital and Ashishuka Hospitals. Thyroid is a butterfly-shaped gland which is present on the neck of a human being. So this secretes certain hormones such as T3 and T4, which in turn are regulated by the help of another hormone called TSH. Now this TSH is supplied by the pituitary gland which is present in the brain. So all these hormones put together maintain the normal equilibrium of the body. But sometimes there can be either overproduction of these hormones or underproduction of these hormones. Both of these situations can cause problems in conceiving or may cause infertility. This need not affect only men or women, it affects both the sexes in equal measure. So how do we overcome this infertility? In women, abnormal TSH can interfere with ovulation, that is, it can prevent an egg from being released from the ovary. In addition, it can also cause problems with implantation. It can cause problems in the endometrium and thereby prevent an implantation from occurring. It can also cause a progesterone disequilibrium. So there is a hormone called progesterone in the body, and the thyroid hormone can play havoc with this progesterone level, and this in turn can not only prevent an implantation but it can also cause miscarriages in the future. And a thyroid hormone dysregulation can also cause menstrual irregularities. So all these problems are due to imbalances in the thyroid hormone. So how does this thyroid hormone affect men? So problems in thyroid levels can also affect men. One, it can affect directly the quality of the semen sample, or it can also affect the motility of the sperms, that is the movement of the sperms. In addition, thyroid can cause fatigue and it can also cause loss of libido or sexual dysfunction. So these are some of the ways that men can be affected. In addition, the entire count of the sperm count can also come down with differences in the thyroid hormone level. Now, apart from that, what are the signs and symptoms that we see in women? In women, as I told you before, it can cause dysregularities in the hormonal menstrual regulation, or it can also cause problems in ovulation. It can cause early miscarriages and it can also cause preterm labor. So these are symptoms of hypothyroidism or low thyroid hormone levels. So what happens when the thyroid hormones are high? Hyperthyroidism is a condition where there are excess thyroid hormones in the body. So this can also affect fertility and reproduction. So it causes irregularities in the menstrual cycle. It can also cause ovulatory dysfunction, that is in release of the ova or the egg from the ovary. On men, it can also cause problems by affecting the sperm motility and the sperm morphology. Once a patient is pregnant, these high thyroid hormone levels can lead to abortions and can also lead to preterm labor.